Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to easily change your furnace filter, something that you should be doing probably about every month to 2 months. Sometimes you can stretch it to 3, but if you're a smoker or you have pets, you should probably be changing them a minimum of every 2 months, which is what I do. So let's jump right into it. Now there's different size furnace filters, so if you've never changed yours before, you just bought a new house, you don't know what size it is, you can easily see which size you need to replace if you open it up and take a look. So let's do that. Now for most furnaces, you're just going to need either a flathead or a Phillips screwdriver. There's usually 2 screws here on the bottom of your furnace, and you're just going to take those out. Okay, once those are removed, you should be able to slightly pull it out and then lift up, and the entire door will come off. As you can see, our filter is down here on the bottom. Okay, so looking at the furnace filter, you can see the one I have here is a 16 by 24 by 1, and it is pretty dirty. I changed this about 2 months ago, so it's definitely time for a new one. Now, before you pull it out, if you're not aware of what way your air flows through your furnace, if you look on the side of these things, you'll see an arrow pointing up. You just want to make sure when you put in your new furnace filter that the arrow is pointing in the same direction. But as you can see, look how dirty that thing is. It was in need of a replacement. Okay, here I am at Walmart. Walmart has a great selection of any furnace filter size you could ever need or want. This is the one I always buy. It's the Advanced Allergen 16 by 24 by 1. This has the most filtration level of any of these types of furnace filters. If you look on the back, it shows you, which furnace filters provide the most protection. The purple one, like I said, is the one I always get. Runs about 15 bucks a piece, so a little spendy for 2 months, but worth it. You can find cheaper ones, that don't have as good filtration for 10 bucks, but why not just spend a little bit more money and get more filtration. Okay, we're back from Walmart. We took the packaging off of the new filter. We're just going to take out our old one. Like I said, you want to make sure you pay attention to the arrow. This arrow is pointing up, so that's the direction of the airflow. Look at that. Old filter, new filter. So we're just going to put the new one in with the arrows pointing upwards, because again, that's how my filter's airflow goes. So your furnace filter might be orientated a little different, but you're just going to pop it in like so, and that's it. Now when you put in your new filter, you want to make sure that the entire opening is covered with the filter. As you can see way in the back there, it goes all the way. That's why it's important to get the right size replacement filter. Okay, and then to button everything up, simply place your door back inside. You usually have to slip the bottom part in first. There's also on a lot of furnace filters a switch up here that it makes it so the furnace won't turn on if the door is open. So when you button everything back up, make sure that button is depressed. Normally when you screw it back in, it'll depress it fully and you're good to go. Well everyone, that sums up today's video on how to replace your furnace filter quickly and easily. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please give it a like, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.